Hi, this is Rad from MR Sportscars. Here I wanted to show you a quick video on how to use, where to find and also how to use the tyre compressor on a Porsche Macan. So this applies to any Macan model of any era. They all have the electric tailgate, which you can operate obviously with the key. And then they should have, in this section here, you just pull it from the top, a tyre compressor down in that section there. So you basically unvelcro it. You pull it out and there you go. So there is the tyre compressor. So what you need to do is, the wires here are all set up, so it's got the tube there that you connect to the valve on your tyre that needs topping up or checking, and then you've got the wire here which you plug into one of the 12-volt supplies in the car. So I would personally use this one here because that's got the highest amperage, I believe, compared to any others you might find in the car. There is one there as well, and I think there's also one in the boot. They should all in theory work, but that's the one I tend to use as there's an outlet there. You basically plug it all in. Ideally have the car running as well, because actually that will give extra voltage, extra power to the battery, which means this will top up your tyres a lot quicker because the motor in this tyre compressor will be running a lot faster. So it will work a lot quicker and it won't drain your battery. As you can see, it will work in bar or PSI, depending on which is your preferred, and you can look up what are the ideal tyre pressures actually on the door, so you can decipher that depending on whether it's full of luggage or just you and some luggage. I also recommend you do it at 20 degrees, so adjust accordingly. So you've got the switch on there, so that basically enables it, turns the motor on to top up your tyres, and then you can be on your way. So you don't need to go to a petrol station to top up your tyres or check your tyres, queue up. You can actually do it with the equipment in your car. If your car has also got the spare wheel kits, that'll be in this section here. So again, you lift this up with the handle here. Then there's the spare wheel, which you would use that compressor to pump up to its full pressure to use as a spare to get you off the road quickly. And then you've got all the equipment there to change the wheel. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.